In this video, we'll show you how to organize and maintain your test cases in Testiny using folders, sorting, filtering, and bulk editing. Let's start with folders. Click the New button to create a new folder. You can nest folders inside each other by dragging and dropping, and rename them at any time by clicking the Edit icon. To move test cases into a folder, simply drag and drop them from the list. You can also customize the order of your test cases manually using custom sorting. Just drag them into the position you need. You can show or hide columns to focus on what matters most. Click the column settings icon to toggle fields on or off, including your custom fields. Need to find a specific test case? Use the search and filter options to narrow down your list. Finally, bulk editing lets you update multiple test cases at once. Select the test cases you want to change and apply updates to shared fields in a single step, saving time when managing large test suites. Thanks for watching.